Good morning. Good morning. I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you so much to everyone that took the time to share the word about season 2.5 of the Marketing Meetup. We're going to call them mini conferences now rather than webinars because they've just got to that size now where it feels bigger than a webinar. So that's really cool. But I just want to say thank you so much. Like yesterday was like overwhelming in the most positive of senses. We had over 800 signups in over the course of the day. The buzz was ridiculous. And more than anything, it was just completely lovely to know that everyone has our back really and has found everything we're up to valuable enough that they're willing to spread the word themselves. That is my tumble dryer going off because it's 2020. Anyway, I just want to say thank you so much. Have a lovely day. I'm posting this on here because frankly, the folks on LinkedIn these days feel more like friends than they do anything else. And yeah, have a lovely one. Speak to you soon. And thank you once again.